Hey there, welcome to YouTube SEO optimization course. In the previous class, we have done settings and audit our website, and we have decided to delete all the low quality video from our YouTube channel. And in the previous class, there was 420 video, and right now, let me show you. There are 340 videos, but I wanted to delete more video because I don't want to keep any video that was not good for my audience, that was not perfect for my audience. So I'm going to quickly delete video from my YouTube channel. So click on the content, then I will click on the shorts. First I want to remove the shorts video from here, and from shorts video I select views, then start from low to high, and from here I'm going to delete one by one. This one, because it's got dislike, I don't want to keep any dislike video, single dislike video. So first marking this one, also this one looks here, also delete this one, that was not get more views, only 36 view, that is very low for a short video. We are going to delete this one. We also decide don't keep any video that don't get minimum 100 views. So here I am going to delete this video, which one don't get minimum 100 views, which one get any dislike. I don't want to search video. But if I see any video don't get huge views but get more like on average, don't get any dislike, and I think I can rank it by SEO, video SEO or optimizing, then I will not delete this one. So you can see that I have selected 11 video. Also keep going, select this one, this one, this one, okay, and delete. So when you done the deleting all the negative or this low quality video, then we start working on the video optimization. So that will be more important part of this course.